Hello guys, very good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, Sonali, you are audible.
Okay, let's start. Okay, so today we have to start with processes. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so what is processes? Okay, so what is a process? Okay, it is some kind of work which should be completed. Okay, so a program or command when executed. Okay, a special instance is provided by the system to the process. This instance consists of all the services that will be utilized by the process under execution. Okay, so suppose I run any command, okay? Suppose I run pwd, I run touch command, or I run any other command, okay? So whenever a command is issued in Linux, it creates or starts a new process, okay? Obviously, the command is a process, okay? Because it takes the things from the system, it validates it, and then prints the output, okay? So for example, pwd when issued, which is used to list the current directory location the user is in, a process starts through a 5-digit ID number. Linux keeps an account of the processes. This is known as process ID. Okay, so what is process ID? Okay, each and every process is allotted a particular number. Okay, in Linux or Unix. Okay, it is allotted a number which is known as process ID. Okay, suppose if I do PS, so you can see this is my terminal, okay, and this is some command bash and ps. This is bash is my terminal and ps this is the command which I have run right now. Okay, so this is the PID, this is the process ID of that particular command. Okay, so this is the PID and this is unique for each and every process which is starting. Okay, so PID is unique for each and every process. It is just like inode number. Inode number is for a file, okay, and process ID is for commands. Okay, whatever the commands we have run, okay, whatever the processes are there, okay, for that we have this PID. Used up PIDs can't be used again for a newer process since all the possible combinations are used. Okay. At any point of time, no two processes with the same PID exist in the same system because it is the PID that Unix uses to track each process. Okay, so it is the PID that Unix uses to track a process. So all of the processes would be having unique PID. Okay, rather than having the same PIDs. Okay, so PID, please remember this is a very important term. process
So
ID.
yeah, Sonali, can you explain this one? Used PIDs can be used in again for a newer process. Can you explain this one, please?
Suppose my process has been completed. Okay. Suppose I was sending something to the person. Okay, and that particular process has been completed. So PID is open now, na, to be used by another new process.
Okay,
Understood?
the one PID can be used multiple times if the older process is completed, right?
Completed. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay,
Okay, the system will allot the PID to another process.
got it. Thanks.
Okay. Next is initializing a process. Okay, how to start a process. Okay, so process can be run in two ways. We have two kind of processes: foreground process and background process. Okay, foreground process are those process which run in the foreground. Okay, receive input from the keyboard and send output to the screen. Okay, just like the simple commands we run, these are foreground process because they are running on the screen. Okay, and without any user intervention they print the output. Okay, just like I just if I do ls, this is for foreground process. Okay, and background process are those processes which are running in the background already. Okay, they don't need any intervention, any interference from the user. They are running in the background. They are mandatory. Suppose some default are there. Okay, some default processes are there which should be working. Okay, it runs in the background without keyboard input and waits till keyboard input is required. Thus, other processes can be done in parallel. Okay, so what happens is that if they are running in the background, okay, what happens? Okay, so if they are running in the background, so our terminal is free, okay, to be used by other commands. Okay, we can write in the means we can do anything as per our need. Okay, because our terminal is free to be used because the commands are working in the background. Okay, so thus other processes can be done in parallel with the process running in the background, since they do not have to wait for the previous process to be completed. So adding this ampersand makes the process go in background. Okay, so adding this ampersand makes the process go in background. Okay, so let me tell you a new command. Firstly, we have the sleep. Okay, so what does the sleep do? If I do sleep 5, okay, so it will stop my cursor from coming, okay, for 5 seconds. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you can see that my cursor has not come. It will come after 5 seconds. So you can see it has come. If I do sleep 10, my cursor will stop after 10 seconds. Okay, so similarly if I do sleep 100 for 100 seconds, my cursor will stop. Okay, so this is a sleep command. Okay, what does this do is it holds the cursor from coming, okay, until and unless it specifies the time. Okay, so what happens is if I just write sleep, if I just write sleep, okay, 100, and I do ampersand, I make this process run in background when I'm adding ampersand. Okay, so my process will run in background. Okay, and my terminal is free to be used by anyone. You can see it shows me the PID of this number of this process 4112. Okay, now I can do my work. I can do whatever I want. I can run new processes. Okay, now suppose I want to see whether this process has been completed or not. Okay, so I'll check with PS. So you can see that the sleep is still running. Okay, sleep with PID 4112 is still running. Okay, I checked again. It is still running. 100 seconds have not been over till now, and it is still running. Okay, so you can see. that when I put this ampersand, my things have gone in background. Okay, so I let's check. It is still running. Okay, so you can see it is still running. Okay. Okay, so this is foreground process and this is background process. And difference between foreground and background process you guys have understood. Okay, let's check whether it has been completed or not. So you can see now that the PS has been completed and it is showing me that it has been done. At the last line you can check that it has been done and sleep 100 has been completed. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, so this is how to track a background process. If I have started, okay, if we have started any background process, we can track it through PS. Okay, if there are multiple right now we don't have any process running now. Okay, but in future in companies you might be, obviously there would be multiple servers, multiple processes running. Okay, so what we do is I will be using PS pipe grep. Okay, sleep, whatever sleep you have run. Okay, this is how to, but right now the sleep has ended, so it is not showing any output, but this is how to. Please note it down if you find anything mm, that important I'm teaching you guys, so please note it down. Okay, please note this point that if you have to search for any process. Okay, this is how to search for any process. Okay,
Sonali, explain this again once.
which one?
That search for this one, last one.
I did PS. Okay, I suppose I have any process which is running in the background. I want to search it. Okay, so I'll do is pipe grep. Okay, if my process name is sleep, I'll search for sleep. Understood?
Yes. What will be the other process? Like
Which
except sleep.
process?
Like except
Let me
sleep.
show you. Except sleep, there can be multiple process which are running. Okay, right now, if I show you, okay, hyphen is an option. Okay, so PS hyphen AI do it just shows me all the processes running in my system. Okay, so it shows me some process. Okay, if I add E, so it will show me background process also. Okay, and F for full listing. Okay, so you can see all the process which are running in my system have been shown. So in order to see one by one, I use more. Okay, pipe more. So you can see the all the processes that are it is showing me. Okay, the first process, okay, is init. Okay, it is the father of all the processes. Okay, it is the father of all the processes running. Okay, so the first process with PID 1. Okay, you can see that the PID of init is 1 because it is the first process which has been started by the system, and it only starts the multiple processes. Okay, so you can see that there are multiple processes running in background, and how can you tell other that yes, it is a background process. You can see that the terminal TTY stands for terminal type. Okay, so it is a question mark here, which means that it is not associated to any terminal, means it is not working on any terminal, they are running on the background. So if the TTY is question mark, it means they are background processes. Okay, so you can see these are all the processes which are running in the background. Their UID is root. Okay, means ID is root. Their PID is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of this. PPID is like this. Okay, starting time, terminal type like this. Okay,
Sonali, what is F?
pardon.
What is F? You have used F like AEF.
Okay, AI stands for all the processes. Okay, E stands for all the background processes, including. Okay, and F stands for full listing. Okay, so that's why we have combined all of these options and used here. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
and okay, so this one by one I shown you that the PID, PPID. PPID stands for parent process ID, means who is the parent of the process.
Sonali, there is one more command, a top command. It also shows the background process, I guess.
Let me show you top command.
Yeah.
Yes, it also shows the background processes. Okay, just hold for a minute. Top command I'll explain later. Okay, PS-AEF has been understood by all of you, I suppose. Okay, so you can use top command to see processes with consumed resources like memory and CPU utilization. Okay, so the processes with consumed resources, okay, like how much memory they are consuming and how much CPU utilization they are doing. Okay, all of these details are shown by the top command. Okay, so let me show you. So when I did top 5 more, so you can see all the details it is showing me firstly. Okay, then it is showing me the details here, the PID, okay, virtual memory, resource sharing, CPU percentage, memory percentage, okay, all of these details it is showing me and the command. Okay, okay, so this is showing me the top command, that how much CPU percentage and which one is running above, okay, and how much CPU percentage it is taking, okay, and how much memory it is utilizing. So you can see that this genome terminal is taking 18% of my memory. Okay, so what happens is that sometimes our system gets hanged. Okay, our server is not working due to extra load. Okay, so how to check that how much load, that how much load, which server, which command which I have processed, I have started, that is taking so much of memory that the things are getting hanged. So I can use the stop command or PS-AEF1, okay, and grab my particular process, okay, or I can see here, okay, that I will be able to check that it is taking 90% of the memory. Obviously, if it is taking 90% of the memory or 70%, or so it means that it was the reason. Okay, so we will kill it. Okay, so how to kill that particular process? Okay, so if I have checked it, okay, yes, that this is taking this much amount of memory, I need to kill it, otherwise my system will get more hanged. Mm, okay, so how to kill a process? Suppose I run a process sleep 2000. Okay, 2000 %. I run this in background. Okay, I said check ps. Yes, so how to kill this process? If somebody says to me that kill this sleep, so we have this kill command. Okay, so kill -9. -9 stands for abrupt killing. Okay, kill anyway. Okay, so kill -9. Okay, and PID number. This is the syntax. Okay, kill -9 and PID number. So PID number of sleep is, anybody can tell me the sleep PID number? The PID number of sleep, can anybody tell me?
4193.
4193.
Yes. So we can see that the sleep has been killed. So when I do PS again, it is not showing me because it has been killed. Okay, is it clear? This is how to kill a process. Okay, so moving ahead, that sleep is completed. Now you guys know how to check a process, how to check the background processes, how to check all the processes running in your system. You know how to kill a process. Okay, so kill is a good command. Okay, if I see kill -l, you can see many options are there with the kill. I have used 9. Okay, sick kill, sick signal, kill signal. Okay, we can use sick quit also. Okay, we use 11 also, 6 save. Okay, so here I have used the sick kill, which stands for abrupt killing. Okay, so now whenever you want that you are not able to understand any command, okay, you can refer to the manual documentation of each and every command. Okay, we have this man. Okay, and suppose if I do man kill, so you can see I have all this definition about this command. Okay, you can see kill, it sends a signal to the process. Okay, this is how to use this kill option and PID number, as I told you. Okay, these are the different options. So you can see if I'm doing kill -9 -1, it kill all the processes that you can kill. Okay, so this is the all about kill. Okay, if you want to learn more about kill, okay, just press Q and you will be out of it. Okay, so every
Sonali,
documentation it has, suppose if I have LS, okay, so LS documentation it has that list directory contents. Okay, synopsis means how to use that process, that particular command. Okay, and description is with all the options. Okay, so we need not to learn all the options. Whatever I'm teaching you is more important. Okay, so you can see multiple options are there, around 30 options would be there. Okay, so whenever you want to that you are getting complex and you're not able to understand, you can refer the manual page of the file of that particular command. Yes, what you were asking?
no, I'm just asking how to open the manual. That's all. I saw it.
Okay, okay. Okay, moving ahead now. So anybody knows what is shell scripting? Anybody can answer me? What is shell scripting? Just give it a try, anyone. Okay. So what is a shell script? Okay. Shell script is a series of commands, okay, which we executed. Okay, run it and to show our output, to show our desired output. Okay, it is a series of commands. Okay, so write a shell script to print files of a directory, show logged in users and your current working directory. Okay. Okay, so what do you mean by that? Okay, now let me show you. We will do one program. Do it with me, guys. Okay. So I wrote vi first.sh and opened it. Okay. So first.sh is my file name, shell script name. Okay. For shell scripts, we use this extension of .sh. Okay. So .sh extension is used for shell scripts. Okay. Just like the .java we use for Java files and .c we use for C files. So .sh we use for shell scripts. Okay. So that a person can recognize that yes, it is a shell script. Okay, so I'm writing 223 commands here. So I write, I press I write pwd, I write. Okay, so I have written 2 to 3 commands here. Okay, you can see pwd, date, calendar, okay, and echo. Echo is a command to print something. If I want to print something, in other languages we have printf, okay, printf we have, println we have, print command we have, but here we have echo to print whatever I want. Okay, sorry. So second, what we do is we execute it. Okay, we execute that run. For running that we give execute permission. Okay, so what we do is chmod plus x first.sh. Okay, so for running that I give execute permission. Then what I do is dot slash first.sh. Okay, this is how to run a file. Okay, dot slash first.sh is how to run a file. Okay, so you can see that pwd output has come, date output has come, calendar output has come, Okay, and the last which I wanted to print has come. Is it clear to all of you? Any problem with the shell script which I have made? Okay, so do it fast, write it and show me, send it to me on the chat. I want to see how many of you are doing with me. Do it ASAP. I'm giving you 2 minutes, guys.
Sonali, explain once again.
Okay, which part, dear?
Here, why this print is used like echo?
I have to print. I want to print something. That's why I have used echo. Echo is a command for printing. Okay.
Prints in the sense where.
I have to print it on the screen. Suppose I want to show a message on the screen. Okay. That whenever my script is completed, I want to print that yes, the shell script is completed. Okay. For that purpose, we use this. Okay.
Okay.
Please do it,
Thank
all of you. Once the program is completed, I'll show you the page, how to give permission and how to run the file. Okay, so please copy it ASAP. Nobody has run till now. Are you guys doing?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello. We want to type PWD, ma'am, in terminal.
Yes.
We want to type terminal in what, ma'am? PWD, like this, ma'am.
I did not understand what you are asking,
No,
dear.
no, ma'am. No, ma'am. What you want to type, ma'am, in a terminal?
Means
PWD,
I want to show you. Give permission and run the file like this.
okay, okay.
Okay, Srinath has done. Good, Srinath. Your cal command is not working, Srinath.
I guess I need to install the package. With sudo apt install ncal, I guess.
Okay, okay. Okay, Mahalakshmi, Sridhar, Gayatri, Bindu, Viraj, Naveen, Swati, where are you guys? Nobody has sent me the script execution photo. Yes, Sakti Vel and Ganesh Ram also.
Sonali, sorry, I have my laptop issue. That's why I'm unable to give screenshot.
Okay. Take a picture from your mobile and send it to me on WhatsApp. On group. Naveen Kumar, Viraj, Mahalakshmi. It's only one student I am teaching.
Sonali, I'm doing actually that what key you are using to go back to terminal?
Okay, I have used escape shift colon WQ. W
Oh,
for saving, Q for quitting, and press enter.
okay, okay.
Escape shift colon WQ.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I send in WhatsApp group, ma'am? Unable to take screenshot, ma'am. Hello.
Okay, please hold for a minute. I'll be back in a minute. Okay. You guys do and
Okay,
send me
okay,
the
ma'am.
screenshots.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, has everyone done it? Okay, so Kanishram says Naveen has sent, Swati has sent. Swati, yours also calendar is not installed. Naveen, nothing is visible. Kanishram, can you share your screen? If it is possible for you, can you share your screen, Kanishram?
Yes, 1 minute.
Yes. Good, Viraj. Okay, so what have you written all of this? That's why your script is showing that command not found. Do escape DD. Go on the first line using the page up. Use page up, page up. Yes. Now do escape DD. Yes, again do a DD again and again. Yes, again. Yes, again. Yes, again, one time more. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now come down. Where you have written, no. Do escape U. Escape U. Okay, now come down on Q. Yes, now do DD again. And delete all of this. Delete till Q. Done?
Yes.
Yes. Now do escape shift colon WQ. WQ. Press enter. Yes. Now do chmod plus X. First.sh. Now dot slash understood.
But calendar not came. Right?
Okay, I suppose
Date,
most of
yeah.
have
Think
not
date.
calendar. Calendar.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, in place of that, you can write any other command. Okay, or
Okay.
please install calendar. Okay.
Can you stop share?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, my next program is interactive program. Okay, so what do you mean by interactive program? Okay, interactive program means that the uh, it talks to the user. Okay, it talks to the user. Okay, suppose if I'm asking what is your name, it will be the name. Okay, like this. So it talks to the user. So we will be making an interactive program. Guys, please do with me. Okay. So I write echo.
Sonali, I share your screen.
Yeah,
Share your
sorry,
screen.
sorry. Sharing. Dot. Okay, so I write echo hello. Okay, so I write firstly echo hello, what is your name? Okay, then I write read. Okay, name is a variable. Okay, read is the command. Okay, which takes input for this variable. Okay, so it will take the input for this variable. Okay, so read is a command. Okay, which will take the input for this variable. It will ask it. Okay, and store it inside it. Okay, echo what is your age? Read age. Okay, echo my name is dollar name and age is dollar age. Okay, so my name is dollar name and age is dollar age, like this will be printed. Okay,
So Sonali, is it so like we have to define that variable somewhere? Like we are just using read and name. So does the I mean Linux understand by itself that name
no
is a
yeah
variable?
yeah yeah yes I'll teach you that. Yes, Linux itself understands that which kind of variable it is. Okay, because it treats everything as a single as a single word. Okay, I'll teach you that part. Okay, uh,
Okay.
let you firstly understand this. Okay, so it is asking me what is your name. Okay, so Sonali, I age. So it prints me like this. Okay, please do it. Okay, and then I'll make you understand. As we move ahead about variables, we need not to declare here as we declare in other programming languages, integer, string. Okay, we need not to declare here. Okay, so firstly you learn this interactive shell script, then we will be learning about shell variables. Okay,
So Sonali, this was supposed to be interactive, but when you are running it, it is just showing the output. It is not actually asking for my name or the
Um,
age.
you
Yeah, I
did not
was.
see when I did it. It is asking me what is my name. I wrote the name. It is
Okay,
asking
okay,
me my
okay,
age. I put the age.
okay, okay. Yeah, my bad.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sonali, interact sh is the file name.
Yes, yes.
Sonali, instead of dollar, we can dollar symbol, we can use any symbol.
No, no, no. I'll teach you that. Firstly, do it. Okay, do you use dollar only? Okay, I'll teach you that why I have used this dollar. Okay, that's why I'm making you do this. Okay, has anybody done it?
Yeah, I have already done it and shared it on the chat.
Okay, good. Others? Okay, guys, please do it by today, okay? Then we'll be connecting tomorrow, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.
Bye, Sonali.
Srinath, you have done so. Please send the script on this group, okay? On the chat or on the group, so that others can do it.
I'll do it. I'll share it on the WhatsApp group.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you.